Good morning, everyone. It's MJ from MJ's Luck and Treasures. I'm on Chumba Casino, and I'm playing the game Expandosaurus. I put my 20 in. It's Friday. It's a little bit after 8. It's 8:08, and it's very cold out. Let's see what the temperature is here. $44, and there's a wind. We're supposed to get rain, storms again for 3 days. So I did all my work outside this morning. And let's begin with the Expandosaurus. Okay, we'll give it a couple more spins here. It's kind of slow. Alright, that one's not playing today. The other one I wanted to try, I haven't played in a while, is Piggies and the Bank. Three banks will give you the bonus. The coins, 6 of those will give you the Mega Fire Blaze. And there's some kind of a pig respin too. I haven't figured that out yet because it's a certain color of a background. Come on, give me the bank. Nope. Had a hornet in the house. That was weird. Probably wanted to get it from out in the cold. See, that's purple.
Respin.
A respin. Oh, and then it moves down. $3.10. Okay, we'll give it 2 more spins. Ooh. Alright, let's go to The Godfather. I haven't played that in a long time. I hit really good on it once.
I'm gonna make him an offer, Captain.
We want to get 3 of the books for the bonus round. Ooh, $2 for the horses. Nothing is hitting today. Let's try the jackpots. Let's try Western Gold. Nothing is hitting. Let's try Last Empress. And then we'll call it a day. Play a little bingo and call it a day. we need 6 of those symbols. Well, let's go to our bingo. I'm going to play a little of this Paws and Stripes because it's at 75.
This is the last call to purchase bingo cards at this time.
And then I want to play Bingo Blast. If I can get it in time. It's cutting it close. I got it.
Ticket sales are now closed.
Six. Plus 3. That's 9.
13, 14,
wow.
2, 59,
4 to
9,
go already.
66, 33, 70, 55, 20, 81, 64,
Oh, tonight
80,
is Friday Night Lights
15,
too.
1, 79, 19, 77, 35, 26. Bingo has been called.
Wow, a lot of people.
$47. 1.
Okay, so we need 4
45.
corners and a cross for $15, which isn't
54.
bad. And then 19 for
69.
the star, and full house is 29.
44. 36. 42. 51. 68. 9. 16. 8. 61. 71. 40. 30. 55.
So you need the 4 corners and
53.
then the cross, all of the ends, and then the
17.
horizontal line in the center.
26. 39. 66. 22. 70. 56. 64. 60.
6 to go on both.
32.
5 to go on both.
50.
4 to go
57.
on one.
52. 43.
4 to go on both.
49. 7.
We're getting close. 3 to
41.
go.
19.
2 to go.
59.
We need some bees. There we go. We only need 2. There, we
Bingo
got
has
it.
been called.
We got it. 15. Yay. And I hardly
Bingo
ever...
has been called.
And I got the star too.
5.
Woohoo.
20. 25. 58. 4. 13. 74. 23. 12.
Wow. That's going to be 20.
63.
34.
75. 31. Bingo has been called.
Sweet. I'll take it. $34.15. Alright, well that's all I have for you today. This is MJ from MJ's Luck and Treasures. Like, subscribe, and share, and comment below. And also check out my eBay store, MJ Treasures 1. Everybody have a good weekend. And remember, Friday Night Lights is tonight. Maybe I'll win on that too. Who knows? Bye for now.